What's up, my little writers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And that's how you become an official flow rider. You guys, today I'm doing my customer's hair. It's her bi-weekly appointment, and she has a sew-in weave, and she's getting just a shampoo, blow dry flat iron. I shampooed and conditioner off camera, and then for her hair, I put her under the dryer for about 20 minutes to get her roots dry, and then I blow dry her the rest of the way. And then after blow drying, I am going to be flat ironing her, not silk pressing, but flat ironing. So I'll let you guys know what I've been doing to her hair in advance. So guess what? You won't have to hear my voice again, okay? So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video, and I'll get back with you at the end of the video.
When I'm with you, oh yeah, you like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, when I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone, oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too. Oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you. You, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, tell
I told you guys I would be back when I'm almost done, and I am almost done. My customer likes this hairstyle is very simple, and what you can't see me doing right now is I'm putting some edge control on her edges. She always brings her headband in with her, and I'm brushing her edges down and bring the brush through her hair, integrating all that hair, you guys. And I'm gonna put some Chi hairspray on it and some Chi Silk Infusion on her hair. And then she's gonna put her little headband on, you guys. This is her signature style. It's easy, it lasts, and I like it. She loves it. So hey. And with that being said, you guys, if you made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much. I appreciate you. However, if you made it all the way to the end of this video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? Please tell me what you're waiting on. So go on and hit that subscribe button, the like, comment, share, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video. You guys, look at that hair. And when I was halfway through, I left you guys a little note saying that the hair can be used 6 to 8 times. This hair can truly be used 6 to 8 times. And if she did not want to wear her hair straight, she can wet it and it will be like a pretty soft body wave, not too tight. So pretty. This, and I told you this hair is called French Refined Hair. She got it from his and her hair company in Los Angeles. And they have some good quality hair, you guys. The prices are a little bit pricey, but guess what? If you can use this hair for 6 to 8 installs, guess what? It's worth the money. So with that being said, you guys, I am out, and I will see you guys in the next video.
You're my thunder of my darkest night. You just can't go back